Good afternoon, Mr. Sandeep Kapoor, Mrs. Nidhi Kapoor, Senior Kapoors, faculty of the institute, proud parents, and of course, the graduating participants in this program. This obviously is a great day. I mean, it's like imagine a farmer getting the first crop, and obviously the crop is very good. Why is very good? Because first of all, the confidence and belief that you carry in yourselves. Number two, you are getting the right evidence from the market for which you have been groomed. So Mr. Kapoor very lucidly informed the kind of feedback which people, your future employers, are giving to you, which validates the basic program, the whole idea of starting such an institute, and the direction in which it has been going, and I think it's likely to go in future also. It is from every direction. I think you're getting the right feedback. The area of event management for which, and the integrated mass communication, integrated marketing communication, both are extremely strong areas in which the institute has taken the positions. Everything happens in the world because of how the mind works. And for changing the mind, it's the communication which makes the difference. And in today's world, it is not just one or few kinds of communication which really works. It is not just the written communication, it is not just the visual communication, it is communication to all the senses that we carry, and ultimately the job becomes to integrate all these stimuli which are coming through different sources of communication, which really affects the mind through which the person finally works. And therefore, the need for this kind of program is anyway very strongly established, and therefore once the apparatus, the machinery of this institute kind has been set in process, you are getting the right feedback. And of course, I think I must tell you, it's not just putting these things together. One very key ingredient which is required is the intention, the passion which drives the whole thing, and that I'm sure all of you must have experience in the form of Mr. and Mrs. Kapoor, that if they have decided to set up this institute, they have a very clear goal, they have the willingness to invest their resources and their internal energies and carry this institute even if there are problems on the way. Now that is a very key ingredient which is available, which is present in this institute, and therefore I am very confident that not only your batch, but the future batches will also carry this message. The need for integrated marketing communication and event management has become even stronger today because there is a change in paradigm which has taken place in the last few decades or maybe 1 or 2 centuries. You see, the earlier thoughts were, particularly in marketing, that if you understand the persons for whom you are working, that means customers mostly. If you understand the customers and you plan for certain categories of actions, in a very popular language, you all know, there are 4 P's of marketing. So if you make the right product, present it to the customer at the right price, distribute it properly, make it available in the right place at the right time, right form, and communicate or promote to him properly, you are through. Okay? And even the language which was used was make all these efforts towards that targeted consumer or customer, and if you are successful in that, your whole business effort or marketing is successful. So the customer is seen as a target, and you shoot towards him with the arsenal of these 4 P's, and once you have achieved that, your task is over. The major changes which have occurred are that you cannot take these efforts as a one-time effort, so that you make an annual plan, make the 4 Ps, and target towards the customer and shoot him down. You have to do it continuously. And that's a very major change, because of this continuity in the efforts, not only just the kind of efforts which you put, but the way you put the efforts also change. And so you have to therefore maintain continuous relationship with the customers. For that, each set of efforts which you put before the customer becomes an event or an experience. As a result, the management of the experience which would finally reside in the customer's mind becomes most important than just one single effort which you put in marketing. So you may have a great product that may or may not be accepted completely by the customer, but once he experiences a good usage of or interaction with your company or with your services, he would not be very happy. So you have to manage the experiences, and the methodology to manage the experiences are now bundled in the form of event. You are the masters of managing the events as well, and you are very, very lucky that you are doing within the premises of the actual factory of events, where you have all kinds of inputs which are created to deliver the events, whether it's through advertising, whether it is through event management, they're all present. So just like in some of the best institutions in the world, the best managers come from the places where they share the knowledge as well as the practice, which is exactly what you have over here. So, managing of events is going to be much more important in the world of tomorrow. So much so that even events are going to be branded, and efforts will have to be put in such a way that a customer goes back with the residual impression of the organization and its all offerings in a very positive and desirable manner. So, in that sense, you are in the forefront of where the marketing is going, equipped with the knowledge of the IMC as well as the management of the whole process of building experiences. You are at one of the most blessed state or stage of your life, where you are about to launch yourself and prove to the world that all that you have gained is worthwhile, and the world is waiting for receiving that from you. I hope you will not only just prove that, you will do that with the integrity and the values of a thorough professional, a marketing professional. I think that ultimately is going to be more important. So please do that. We all watching the phenomena, and of course the whole institution would always be available to you to help all the alumni. From this moment onwards, you will become the alumnus of this institute. So it would be happy to receive you always as alumni, and you will share the benefit. Both the sides would be benefiting with the sharing of the experiences in future. Good luck, and